was gross.
One with no mayo.
Skin of a banana's bloody ram.
This is why I shouldn't be allowed to cook.
A lot of people are going to be wondering, what is vegan from McDonald's?
Good old stir around. That is a very big problem.
Let's taste these bad boys.
Tesco, I will be filing a lawsuit.
Look at an egg. Not very fitting for today's video. Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a 24 hours vegan challenge. I've watched so many of these on YouTube and they literally look so entertaining and so funny. I'm really down to cook some like really nice, really healthy foods, but then also see like what unhealthy food I can have. It's a party up in this vegan bitch.
At a vegan dance party, nobody gets hurt. Everybody gets their energy from eating plants.
I'm also going to take you along in my day. So today I'm actually going to be going car shopping for my first car, which is just going to be so exciting. So I thought I would take you all with me, and then also, you know, you'll just see all the things that I eat today. This is literally such like an old me outfit. I never wear skirts anymore and I'm feeling a bit uncomfortable. Whenever I think of being vegan, I just think of that Scott Pilgrim Vegan Police.
Freeze, vegan police!
Who else loves that film? I really want to go as like Ramona Flowers for Halloween this year. She says that she literally has nothing to do on Halloween. So for breakfast this morning, I'm just going to be having a banana and then also chamomile tea, which is like my favourite thing in the world. And a tip too, if you find that herbal teas kind of go bitter, if you brew them at just under, like just before the kettle starts to boil, then perfect. That was the most British thing I ever said. I'm in the car now because my dad is going to get some blood tests. So yummy. How nice is this mug too? It's like the ones from Wagamama's. Gives me anxiety trying to open a banana without a knife. Skin of a banana's bloody ram. There we go, boys. Now I know some people will get very triggered over bananas, but personally, they're a fruit of God. Bananas are also really good to have in the morning because they actually give you loads of energy. I remember my philosophy and ethics teacher, who was like the most wise woman in the world. Well, one of them anyway. She told me to eat bananas when I revise because like there's some sort of brain something, I don't know. Now what do I do with this banana skin? Shit, I did not think of that. Oh no, I can put it in here once I finish. Full of innovative ideas. And look where we are. Bet you expected me to get a Fiat 500, didn't you? So it's currently 12 o'clock and I'm so bloody hungry. Wishing I had a little bit more than a banana. But we're currently at our second garage and I really want to get a Ford Fiesta. Not had a McDonald's in a year. Over a year.
Do you want the spicy vegetable?
Hello, it's me, how can I help?
Oh, hello! Could I have 2 spicy vegetable deluxe meals, please? Yeah, one with no mayo. Drink. Diet Coke?
Drink, I don't want to drink.
Well, it comes with the meal.
What do you want?
Diet Coke.
Diet Coke then.
Diet Coke, please.
On both?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
Sounds right. So thank you.
Okay, bye.
£9.50?
So expensive.
Are you joking me? You could have gone to Pret for that.
I know. It's really expensive now, McDonald's. Oh.
Great work.
Sorry.
Oh, it smells like shit. It smells like fresh cow shit. Do you think that's the cow poo or do you think that's the monkeys?
We're muck spreading. Muck spreading?
Muck spreading.
We're waiting on the veggies. Are you alright to park up from day one?
Thank you.
Thank you. I love the way they call their mayo cool mayo. They call about mayonnaise, hun. Satan's food.
Right.
What about there? Over there. Yeah. There you go, sweetheart. And the vegetable deluxe. A lot of people are going to be wondering, what is vegan from McDonald's? In actual fact, their chips are vegan because it's just potatoes and oil. And if you get the vegetable deluxe meal, like the spicy or the regular, and you ask for it with no mayo, it's in fact vegan. As you saw, like the price of this is 10 quid. You're probably better off just going to Pret and getting something there instead. Let's have a taste test. It's good. It's okay, but it's nothing like...
Oh, it's so yummy.
Do you know what I mean? You can get better vegan or vegetarian food. Now obviously McDonald's isn't like a healthy vegan way to eat, but I'm just trying to show that you can still have junk food and like fast food if that's what you really like. You are vegan and you don't, you know, have to miss out.
Stupid. Stop it.
Sorry. Yeah, it's just not great. I never.
A little bit bland, a little bit boring.
Yeah, I'll never like crave a McDonald's. We literally just have one because I am absolutely starving. It's currently about 1 o'clock. Yeah, overall wouldn't fully rate, but if you're into McDonald's and stuff, I don't want to be one of those people who's like,
McDonald's.
because do you know what I mean? Like there are so many of those people in the
They're
world.
good for a purpose.
Yeah,
You don't
that.
want to do it all the time, but
Yeah, like as I said, I haven't had a Mackey's in a year and I just
Really
haven't missed it.
expensive.
My mum wants me to show you that this is where I live. Lovely day.
or what about the OG?
What's that?
Love that.
Yeah, no, but I need to know the lyrics. Or else it's
I
not...
don't know the lyrics. It's never stopped me.
What, Lovely Day?
Oh.
You got bloody married to that song.
When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes.
Got the lyrics down. Hello, hello. Wait, stroking dogs vegan? Are you vegan? Because if you're not, I can't stroke you. Oh, I'm joking. Look how cute you are, little old lady. So probably not very interesting, but I'm just here to... Oh, the end of the celery's on it. That was gross. As a snack, I'm just having like a stick of celery and some hummus. If you don't love hummus, then we can't be friends, I'm sorry. So the first thing I'm gonna do for dinner is take this mix of like quinoa, couscous, bulgur wheat. Take about 100 grams of that and you just boil it. Wow, that looks so incredibly appetizing. Then I'm gonna slice a few tomatoes. How are these going mushy already? Literally, we bought these the other day. Tesco, I will be filing a lawsuit. Oh, damn it, I'm running out of battery. Whilst the camera was charging, I basically just continued to cook the quinoa. I drained it and ran it under some cold water so it would like stop it cooking and stop it going starchy. I also sliced some kale here and then I'm gonna slice an avocado. Ooh, perfect. Get a red onion.
Onions half layered.
That is honestly car crash of an onion slice. Ah! I forgot that the hob was gonna be hot. Now I'm gonna get some beetroot out. Now I know this is love-hate personally. It was love at first sight with me and old Beat. Imagine calling your child Beat. God, they would get bullied. Sorry if your name's Beat. This beetroot's already sliced because lazy. So many people are gonna get triggered by this. I don't give a damn. Ooh, okay, I've got cuts on top of my mouth and that really hurts. Sun-dried tomatoes, and I don't drain all the oil off them because I kind of use the oil as a dressing. You roughly slicing, put the quinoa into the bowl. Then I'm taking some of the kale. Okay, it's going everywhere. And then you're left with a beautiful piece of GCSE artwork. Now I'm gonna scoop the avocado in. This is how it's looking so far. And now I'm gonna put some olives in. Good old stir around. This is what my dinner looks like. I'm going vegan. This is honestly so delicious. I don't know why I ever stopped making these. Pasta sugar, baking powder. It's exploded everywhere. Remember when you made those brownies out of like beetroot and tofu?
Oh my god, they were disgusting.
That was a bad vegan base.
They tasted beetroot and tofu.
150 grams of flour. Fun fact, I actually have a patch of skin on my finger that's all weird because my dad accidentally cut it off when we were making a stir fry.
What's in your jacket?
We're going to be taking 2 approximate tablespoons of sugar. Ooh, cinnamon powder. Oh, you fucking joking me right now. That is a very big problem. Should I do the cinnamon challenge? Only a little bit though. That's well nice. What's everyone complaining about? 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon. It says to make a well in the middle of the dry ingredients. 300 mils of water, 1 tablespoon of oil. Smells like cinnamon though. Put a bit more in there. Okay, no. Oh my god. This is why I shouldn't be allowed to cook. Let's taste these bad boys. I'm kind of nervous. Oh, okay, they're thick. Well, that didn't work, did it? They're good. I think without the cinnamon, they'd be a bit like nothing-y, but they're good. This one is a little bit burnt, not gonna lie. They're good. They definitely get the seal of an approval from a non-vegan. Because you know some vegans are like,
this tastes great.
just to try and convince people to be vegan. You're only lying to yourself. So I'm actually going to end my video here. I want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has watched it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know if there are more 24-hour challenges you'd like me to do, and subscribe if you would like to see more of me. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out all my social medias. I'm most active on my Twitter and my Instagram, and you will find them all listed in the description box down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.